In 1985, the Eastburn family, consisting of Catherine and her 3 children, were brutally murdered in their North Carolina home. Only Jana, a 22-month-old toddler, survived the attack. Timothy Hennis, a soldier stationed at Fort Bragg, was quickly identified as a suspect and was convicted and sentenced to death in 1986 for the crimes. However, Hennis was granted a new trial in 1989 due to procedural issues, and he was subsequently acquitted. He was released from prison and returned to the Army. In 2006, DNA evidence from a preserved rape kit was retested, and Hennis was found to have been linked to the crime scene. As he had already been acquitted, he could not be retried under the doctrine of double jeopardy. However, as an active duty soldier, Hennis was tried by the military for the murders in 2010, and he was found guilty. He was sentenced to death and is currently awaiting execution on military death row. The crime scene was gruesome, with the victims being stabbed multiple times and Catherine being sexually assaulted. The Eastburn's husband and father, Gary, was away on military training at the time of the incident.